Let me tell you what exactly is a mutual fund, because a lot of people misunderstand a mutual fund. This is on in a lighter vein. Now, what exactly is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is a common pool of money to which investors contribute for investment in accordance to a stated objective. Now, some of you may wonder, what did I really say? But let me simplify. What exactly is a mutual fund? Here we have investors just like you and me trying to invest in debt instruments. We want to invest in equity instruments, or we want to mix our investments a mix of equity and debt. So there is a mutual fund company. What is a mutual fund company? What does it do? Like a bank, what does a bank do? Bank borrows and lends money. Whereas a mutual fund is an asset management company. The role of a mutual fund is to manage money. And your money is not held by the mutual fund company. Your money is held by somebody called as trustees. Most of the trustees are not a part of the mutual fund company. And ultimately, you have a regulator. You have the Securities Exchange Board of India that regulates the mutual fund operations. Okay, so back in those days when I was 10 years old, I was watching a marathon race. This was in our city itself. So I was close to the finish line. Both me and my dad we were watching. And what I realized was there were first person comes, he wins the gold. Then you have the second person, silver, bronze. But in spite of that, a lot of people were running in spite of there being already three winners, and they wanted to reach the finish line. And I asked my dad why they didn't stop running. My dad said, "Your objective is to complete the race, because when it comes to a marathon, it's not easy. Even if a person completes the race, it is an achievement. When it comes to investing, investment is not a 100-meter sprint. Investments is a marathon." So we have a Jason Zweig who says, in the end, what matters is crossing the finish line. It's not about crossing the finish line before anybody else, but making sure you cross the line. It doesn't mean that we have to have the best investments. All the entire objective is that you have investments across debt, equity, and you can have a combination of debt and equity. Also have a little investments in gold, and you diversify across asset classes. When you're investing in equity, you can diversify, and one of the best ways to diversify when it comes to an equity investment is through investing in equity mutual funds. And one of the very good equity mutual funds is investing in index funds, wherein your cost is extremely low. So before I conclude, let's say I was given, this is one of the most important piece of advice. Let's say I was given only 60 seconds to talk to you all. Imagine only 60 seconds. The first thing I would do is put my hands in the air, and I would say that I cannot really say anything in 60 seconds. But then if I was asked to speak for 60 seconds at a point blank range, I would think for the first 10 seconds. And then for the next 50 seconds, I would give you an advice. And this is the only advice I would give if I had 60 seconds. So when it comes to your money, or when it comes to your investments, what is important is the plan. The plan is of utmost importance. Products are your mutual funds, shares, then you have gold, your bank FDs, RDs, senior citizen savings scheme. All these things form a part of the product. Now, when you take financial advice, if the financial advisor is talking about products, if he's talking only about the products, then he's not thinking in your interest. But if the investor is actually, if the advisor is genuinely interested in your goals, they're genuinely interested, like in your goals, in your income, in your expenses, how much you're able to save. If they are focusing on the plan instead of the product, then they are talking in your interest. But if they are talking only about the product and not focusing about the plan, then the advisors are maybe talking in their interest. So this is one piece of advice that I want to share. So whenever you interact with financial advisors, this is the key areas to judge as to how exactly you need to go about. So to be successful at investing, you need to have the information, you need to have the knowledge, you need to have the insights and wisdom. Or another option is to take professional advice. If you want to get some good information, I suggest you visit this website, Franklin Templeton Investments, and there are these small videos, new to investing, new to mutual funds, and more about mutual funds. You can watch these videos. It gives you this very good idea about investments. A very good book on personal finances, Let's Talk Money by Monica Hallan. It's around 200, 250 pages. It's written by a financial journalist. She's a financial journalist. And it gives you an overall idea as to how exactly you need to go about your investments. But if you want insights, you want to have wisdom, then I suggest you to read these books. I will share them. If you want my presentation slides, I will share them with you. But these are the books. If you want wisdom on investments, then these are the books you have to read. So I'm done with my session. I would like to thank the organizers. You can reach out for the questions, but first and foremost, I would like to thank the organizers, Saint Philomena's College, for organizing this session. And if you have any doubts, queries, you can always drop an email to this. And if you want this presentation slide, you can contact with the organizers, or you can drop in an email, and I will share the presentation slides. And finally, I would like to end with a quote. This is by Paul Samuelson, who is the Nobel laureate. He says, investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. So investments should be like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. And you have George Soros, who made a similar comment. He says, if you are having fun when it comes to investments, if investments is entertaining, then probably you're not making any money. Good investing is more